everyone, Mr. King here to run you through today's PE remote learning session. Your next activity for today is an activity I like to call skee ball. Before you can start, you will need to find some equipment from around your house. The things you will need to find are 6 pots or buckets or pans or baskets or cups from around your house. So today, my biggest objects I've got today are 3 laundry baskets, okay? I have 2 sort of middle-sized objects in some pans and 1 small object which is a cup. So again, out of your 6 objects, you need to make sure your 3 are your biggest objects. So I've got my 3 laundry baskets. Your 2 need to be a medium-sized object from around your house. So I've got my 2 pans, and your 1 object needs to be the smallest of them all. So I've got 1 cup from my house today. You will also need 1 ball. So it could be stress ball. Ball of socks is a really fun idea, so I recommend a ball of socks can make this activity really fun. You need 1 object to use as a marker. I'm going to use my shoe for today. And you need to find 1 family member from around your house to play with. So I found Jordan, my brother. He's going to give me a hand today for this activity. Alright guys, go find the objects you need from around your house. Find a family member. Off you go. Now that you've found the equipment you now need to find a space around your house to play this activity. An area such as your backyard or your lounge room is the perfect space. Alright guys, I'm going to give you some time now to find your space to play this activity. Off you go. Now it's time to set up your activity. To set up your activity, what you will need to do is, first thing you're going to need to do is set up your 6 buckets or pots or pans in the shape of a triangle, as I've done so here. So for instance, I've got my 3 laundry baskets at the back, my 2 pots in the middle, and my cup at the very front. Once you've done that, you need to assign points to each. So today I'm going to assign 1 point to each of the laundry baskets, 2 points to the pots, 3 points to the cup. So whatever object is closest to the front, that object will be worth more points. So again, I've got 3 points for my cup, 2 points for my pots, and 1 point for my laundry baskets. Once you've done that, you then need to place your marker a distance away from your triangle for where you will shoot from. Today, I'm going to let you guys decide how far you will shoot from. So today, I'm shooting from about 2 to 3 meters away roughly. Alright guys, I'm going to give you some time now to set up your activity. Off you go. Alright everyone, we are now ready to play some skee ball. To play skee ball, you first need to decide who's going to go first. I'm going first today. The person going first, make sure you have your ball of socks with you and standing at your marker. When you are ready, you will have 10 underarm throws at your targets, trying to see how many points you can score. After you've had your 10 underarm throws, you will work out your score and then swap with the family member you are playing with today. At the end of the game, the person with the most points will be the winner. Before we check out the demonstration, don't forget that each target is worth a certain amount of points. So remember, the target closest to your marker is worth 3 points, the ones in the middle are worth 2, and your biggest targets at the back is worth 1 point. Alright guys, I think we should see what skee ball looks like. Alright Jordan, can I start? Yes! Excellent.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is that my go, Jordan? Yes. Do you know what I scored? I think 12. Excellent. Thanks, Jordan. Your turn now. Awesome, thanks Mr. King for that demonstration. Jordan and I would now like you to play 5 rounds with your families, seeing which family member can score the most points. During the game, feel free to experiment with the rules, so you might shoot from even further back or you might shoot from a little bit closer. It is totally up to you guys. Good luck guys and have some fun.